Hello, I'm Avikash and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a very delicious Christmas special South Indian dish, Fiji's fresh goat fry and curry or fry and surwa as we call in Fiji Hindi in South Indian style. Ingredients for these dishes are about 7 kg fresh goat meat, about 4 kg for deep fry and 3 kg for curry or surwa. However, if you are using less meat, please adjust all of the following ingredients accordingly. 8 medium-sized onions, finely chopped for both fry and curry. We will need the following ingredients for both fry and curry separately. For 4 kg fry, we will need 9 teaspoons masala, curry powder, 4 teaspoons salt. Please taste and add more salt later as needed, 3 teaspoon haldi and 2 teaspoon chili powder. 2 or more teaspoons fresh pounded chilies as per your taste, 4 teaspoon fresh pounded garlic, 3 teaspoon fresh pounded ginger, 3 teaspoons jeera sarso methi mix, some badia, lawang, ilaichi, dalchini and tejpatti as shown. For 3 kg curry, we will need the following ingredients once again in same amount prepared separately. However, this time we will need 12 teaspoons masala and 6 teaspoons salt, more to be added later according to taste, because we will add 4 cups boiled water before pressure cooking the curry later. Adjust your stove to low flame. Add 3 cups of cooking oil. Now add jeera sarso methi mix. Then add dalchini, badia, lawang and ilaichi. Add all the 8 chopped onions, which will be separated into 2 pots later. Once the onions are fried to golden brown, separate almost half of the onions into 2 different pots for fry and curry as shown here. Note that not too much oil is separated for the curry. Now for the fried dish, add tejpatti, then add adrak, garlic, but not chilies right now, or we will get extreme chili smell. Cook for about 15 seconds, then add masala, haldi, salt and powdered chilies. Fry for another 15 seconds, then add 1 cup of water. Now you can add fresh chilies and cook the mix for about 1 minute. Now add the 4 kg fresh goat meat and mix well. Put on the lid and cook for an hour and a half in low flame. Stir fry the dish when needed, but do not add any extra water. Once all the water is cooked and the meat is dry, taste and add salt if needed. Cook for as long as needed until the meat is tender and delicious. Now for the curry, add garlic, adrak and curry leaves. Add masala, chili powder and haldi. 1 cup of water. Cook for about 1 minute and add chilies. Now add the 3 kg curry meat, then add salt and mix well. Cook in low flame, stir as needed until the water is evaporated from the meat. Now transfer the cooked meat into the pressure cooker and add 4 cups of boiled water. Cook in pressure cooker in low flame until you hear 4 to 5 pressure sounds. Once the pressure is released, the curry is ready to be served. Enjoy the tenderly cooked fry meat and delicious curry with rice and roti. Thanks for watching this goat curry recipe video. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.